Hey guys, it's Steve from Vintage Tractors and Rural Life. Here's our morning deal. Got to get out here and get moving tractors up. It's a weekend. Good time to sell tractors. So hang tight, folks. Did you hear the other one that was meowing? Okay, alright. Alright, this is a 1953 straight WD. Wide front, good track, overhauled. Everything we got's been overhauled. You know, this is I wished I had one of these brackets that I could just mount a camera somehow. I'm gonna be watching for one. Anyhow, this is overhauled. I bought this 1953 from a guy from church. The way you can tell it's a 53, it's a late model 53, is because it's got a curved shifter. They went to curved shifters, which people confuse it as a WD-45, but they went to curved shifters in late 1953, preparing for the 54 models of the WD-45s that were a curved shifter and a different transmission, and of course they converted them. See, this is a helical gear, I believe it's called. Hairline, that's normal. That's normal. They weren't an oil clutch transmission. So anyhow, I did bring this one up. I think all three of our WD-45s for sale are 1955 models. I personally really like a narrow front and tricycle front. You know, I've got wide fronts and I got tricycle fronts, and honestly, for me, I just prefer the tricycles. I can pull them in a barn and maneuver in 10-foot spaces with them and things like that, you know. So anyhow, guys, hang tight. I got another one down here running. I gotta go get. So anyhow, guys, I got this WD-45 running down here. I gotta go down and bring it up.